This is a Norelco Series 5100, and I'm going to shave myself with it right now. For those of you that have sideburns, it comes with a trimmer, but me, I don't need that, so we're just going to shave. I like testing and evaluating these things with a dry shave because that way I can tell you whether or not it's going to irritate your skin. Now, it's almost always better to be using some kind of a gel or foam with these wet-dry razors, but I'm going to go ahead and shave dry with it just to show you what that's like. So far, very good, very smooth. I'm not getting any pinch at all from the blades. I got my monitor here. I'm shaving with my monitor. That actually gets surprisingly close to my beard. Let's zoom in on that a little bit. Yeah, you can see that I got right up to the edge of my beard with absolutely no problem. Curves around my jawline really, really well. It'll work well for people that are both left and right-handed. Let's see how that turned out. Excellent, nice and shiny, just the way I like it. It did a great job. It did not chew up my face. I think it would be excellent with foam or gel. The Norelco Philips 5000 Series 5100. I like it.